How everybody doing today? We're coming to you live from the dog pound. We're gonna start having these everyday talks. Not about food, not about trying to sell you on the dog pound. We're really gonna come to you. We're gonna talk to you about personal and business finance, which is one of my areas of expertise. But when we talk about, let's talk about taxes today. Taxes were, I guess the better question is, does everyone know what the original purpose of taxes were? Taxes were originally, weren't originally for everybody. They weren't originally every day or every week out of your check situation. Originally, they would levy taxes against people. Say, for instance, if they were going to war with another country and things of that nature. So they levied taxes to pay for wars. And I can't remember the exact year, but I want to say 1789 or somewhere around there. England decided they wanted to give an everyday tax to their people. Here in the States, it was one of those situations where they wanted to make sure, you know, they originally levied it. It was originally for the rich, or so the poor and middle class thought it was for the rich. And in doing that for the rich, everybody voted and they were levied. But what happened after that, we can get into another question of how right is that? You know, does a person have to be taxed higher because of their earning capacity or because of their ability to make money? Should they pay for those people who don't have that ability or don't set out to acquire those resources? Because it's my belief that it's not that this person is any better or this rich person is better than me or better than you or better than anybody. They've just taken what they've been given by the universe and made use of it. So, but that's a conversation for another day. We will deal with that topic because eventually we're going to get into that radio station so that we're able to have callers call in and kind of give feedback as we go. But for now, we're just going to, come at you like this so that, because we at the end of the day, it's all about, let's stick with the topic, then we'll go there. But you want to be able to not avoid paying taxes, because taxes is what allows us in this country, the United States, to have such luxuries and freedoms that we have. So you definitely want to be able to pay taxes. But what you don't want to have to do is see all of your work from January to May or June in order to pay taxes. So they have certain things that were created for the rich, which were corporations. And, if you need to see your legal tax advisors and things of that nature, but I'm not a tax advisor, but find out as much as you can about corporations. Start your own corporation, which is taxed. It's a separate entity from yourself. So, and it gives you a lot of tax breaks and things of that nature. But once again, you want to go to your tax professional to get more information on that. But to offset those taxes that you pay every year, you need to mind your own business and start your own business. When I say mind your own business, I mean start your own business, a part-time business separate from whatever daytime or nighttime job that you have, which allows you certain tax deductions and things that you need to offset those taxes that you pay from January to June. And you have a lot of people that get excited about getting taxes back in January. I mean, you ride around, if you're in Athens, you see tags, cars with tags on them with new rims and things of that nature, which is cool. But you know, I don't knock anybody for getting their luxuries. But, you know, money is for circulation. So you know, it's to go into different businesses and buy those things, or buy those what Robert Kiyosaki called doodads. But also remember that, you know, when you get that money, it could be a cushion, or it could be a leap, a trampoline that allows you to start a college saving plan for your kids, or start a retirement fund for yourself, so that when you get to an age where you're not able to earn it anymore, then you can still have that passive income that you created from those investments that you make with that tax refund that you get to help you live in your dotage or your older years. But you do want to understand taxes and understand the significance of them, and study where the taxes come from and who they were originally meant for. I gave you a brief synopsis of that earlier, but you know, it's a more in-depth thing that you need to understand when you're trying to do investments and things of that nature. But you definitely want to start investing, figure out how you can invest, and make that a regular practice. You want to, because it's not about being rich. It's about, number one, see, wealth is not about being rich. It's not about being Bill Gates, Kobe Bryant, Magic Johnson, and Michael Jordan, people of that nature. No, it's about being wealth is, the definition of wealth by, I think his name was Buckminster Fuller, is how many days forward can you live off your passive income? So, not the income that you go to work and earn every day, but the income you earn from your investment portfolio, such as real estate, stocks and bonds, commodities, a business that you don't work at. See, I work at a dog pound, so I can't call that part of my investment portfolio. But a business that you don't work at, but yields you an income. So let's say, for instance, your monthly outgo is $2,000. Well, if your monthly outgo is $2,000, that would mean that you need to have a passive income of $2,000 to say you're wealthy. So if you have a passive income of $1,000, how many days forward can you live without having any money come in? And that would be, if let's say the month is 30 days, that would be 15 days. So 15, you're halfway to the definition of wealth according to Buckminster Fuller. And creating that other 15 days is not as hard as you think it is, but to whom much is given, much is expected. So in order to get that, you have to, that was a quote from the Bible, may not have been verbatim, but you got to be able to not only spend money, be a consumer, but you also have to figure out a way that you can have money circulate for you. So when you're investing your money, then say you're investing in Walmart. Walmart is taking your money and they're investing in making it cheaper prices for the consumer. So when you invest in Walmart, you're not only helping you and your family, but you're also helping the other families who go into Walmart and spend money. So look, it's not the problem, it's the way you look at it. So, not saying that me investing money is a problem, but I got to change the way that I look at it. I got to change my perception of investing that money in order for that money to really make a difference. So understand that as you move forward in life, make sure you learn to invest, understand taxes, and understand that definition of wealth that I just gave you. And understand that it's not the money that you earn on a day-to-day basis, not the money that you earn from going to work. It's the money that you earn passively from investments that pay you without you having to work, without you having to come to the dog pound. So yeah, just get a clear understanding of that, and we'll join you tomorrow with another video from the dog pound.